Hey there, this is Jessica from Peterson SEO. Thank you so much for speaking with me today, however briefly that was, and accepting this video. So today we're going to go over a few tips that you can apply right now so that you can get more organic traffic and more organic leads. It's very important to note that 70% of your organic leads stem from your website. So it does need to be fully optimized, including your images. Yeah, it's not real helpful. So, um, you do have a website that has separate pages for each of your services and service areas, which is good. It is a bit dated, but that doesn't matter when it comes to ranking. When it comes to ranking, content is key. You need a lot of it, and it looks like you guys are doing a good job on that. You need more content than your top competitors. Um, your main pages should be focused on your current location. So if that's Newport Richey, these should all be Newport Richey instead of going back and forth between the different communities. Um, and your content needs to be dialed in around your local buyer intent keywords. Those are the keywords people are actively searching for the services that you offer like this. So you do have the keywords going. They just need to be dialed in a bit better. You got a ton of content, which is good. As I said, you need more than your top competitors. And Google wants a minimum of 1,000 to 1,500 words on your homepage or more, depending on your competition. And that's 150 words for every keyword you're trying to target. So you do have a ton of content. You just need to dial in those keywords a little bit better. But I did notice when you go to your other pages and service areas, you have a lot of duplicate content. Now, Google does not like duplicate content. They're not going to index it. You're going to have problems with the keywords. This needs to be all original content. If you look at all of these pages, it's the exact same content, just switching out these service areas. Same content. So you need to have original content and then dial in those keywords to work on that keyword strategy. One of your top competitors, let's go to the top, sorry about that, is Mold Zero. For your service area, they are one of your top competitors, at least under the water damage restoration searches. They're very similar to you. They have the separate pages. They got a ton of content. Although you do appear to have more content, so that's really good. They got the interlinkings going on. And then they also have, a little bit further down here, they also have the separate service area pages with its own original content. So you do need to work on your content as far as the originality and dialing those keywords. The next part is your SEO. And here is Ahrefs. You have a score of 4.2 for your domain, which is your website as a whole, which is 100% because you're referring domains and backlinks. You have a ton of backlinks, over 3,300, and a low score, which tells you that majority of your backlinks are poor quality backlinks that are unrelated, are no follows, or spam. And so many of those should be disavowed because they are actually diluting your scores and hurting your ranks. Not all backlinks are created equal, so you do need to make sure that you're going after high authority backlinks. You don't want Wikipedia backlinks and other things like that are completely unrelated. You want to make sure that you're getting the best quality. and you need to have better quality than your top competitors. So you need not just more backlinks in number, but also better in quality. You have a 35 for your homepage, which shows that majority of your backlinks are being pushed to your homepage, which can help to rank your homepage, but isn't doing a lot for your actual relative keywords for your services and service areas. You really need those backlinks spread out to the appropriate areas so that you can rank for those services in each of your service areas and be found. You've been indexed for 356 keywords, and you're currently generating about 185 people on average to your site per month, which is pretty low because there's thousands of actual potential volume. When we look at your competitor, they have a rating of a 19 with only 800 backlinks. So that just shows you how important your backlinks are and that they are not all created equal. So you need to have better quality backlinks and you need more than your top competitors. Because they have their content strategy dialed in a little bit better with their keywords, they are indexed for over 1,400 and they're seeing over 485 people to their website per month. So you can see the amount of traffic that you're missing out on, and there's actual volume in the thousands. So definitely need to work on those strategies. Now, looking at your backlinks, you've over 2,000 of them. Well, actually over 3,000. Only 1,400 are do follows, so that means that more than half of these are not helpful. You've got Wikipedia ones, which are unrelated to your industry, so they, even though they're high power, they're actually not helping you, especially not being they're a no follow on top of that. So you need do follows. What a backlink is when one website links to your website and then drives traffic to your website. Google likes this because it's like a popularity contest. The more relevant the website is to your industry and services, the more authority Google's going to give you and the more power to help you rank. And when they are do follows, they will actually share the power of those high ranking sites with you to help you to rank faster. And then you need to make sure that you're tying these backlinks in with keywords so that you can rank for those keywords for your services and service areas. And if we just quickly glance through, you can see that majority of these links are going to your homepage. Some of them are going to a blog, but most of these are the homepage. And I'm not seeing maybe, oh, okay. So on this page, we have one keyword. It's not even a location based. That is a national keyword. So definitely need to dial in your keyword strategy. All these parts work hand in hand. Now the next part is this Google Maps section. You want to make sure that you're in the top 3 of this section for each of your service areas and for your relevant keywords, because 30% of people come straight to the maps and won't go any further. So if you're not listed in the top 3, you're sending all those leads to your competitors. Now, in order to be in the top 3, there are a number of factors, but the most important is citations, which is the name of the business, an address, phone number, and website, and listing those in a bunch of places like Dex, Facebook, Instagram, LinkedIn, etc. So you need a lot more of those citations and higher quality citations than your top competitors. And when you follow every one of these tips I've shown you today, your website can be ranked number 1 in Google for your service area keywords and service keywords. Thank you for watching this video. I hope you found it useful and that you'll be able to apply these tips. We would love to get some feedback on what you thought of the video. And if you need help getting any of this stuff done, feel free to reach out to us at the number on the screen and we can chat. Thank you so much for watching. I look forward to hearing from you soon.